Hey guys, it's Maymay and welcome back to another top tip. And today's top tip I cannot take credit for. This is from my friend Brenda. You guys know her from around our channel, and she was in one day and we were working with Baker's Twine and she did this, and I thought, I've never shared this with my subscribers. I knew this because I did this when I did sewing and things like that, but I totally forgot about it and I want to show you. So check this out. You know how you have these spools of Baker's Twine and they sometimes can get loose and knotted depending on how we store them? Let me show you something. So Brenda reminded me of this. If you have these spools that have these little pieces of cardstock that stick out the end, these little tubes, you can take your scissors, you can put a snip in the side, just like that, and then you can take the loose end of the twine and feed it through that little snip and no more knots. Isn't that cool? I need to do that a little tighter. But when you feed it through there to hold it, you don't have any more knots in your Baker's Twine, and you can find the end really easy. This one right here has not been done yet. This is a Dollar Tree Baker's Twine. You can see the difference with the Dollar Tree, right? But it still can get tangled up and knotted. So let me get this guy kind of tightened up again, and I'm going to come to the end and make a little slit, just like that. Bring this guy around, and then you just feed it through the little slot that you created, and it will hold it and keep it from knotting up in your Baker's Twine collection. Isn't that cool? I have one done here. This one's already been done. So I'll bring this around, slide it into the slot, and then I can stand these up in my little box. They don't get tangled, and I can find the loose end every time. Pretty good tip, huh? I think it's a good tip, and I want to thank Brenda for reminding me of that because I'd totally forgotten about it. Hey, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. We're doing a giveaway. When this channel reaches 100,000, we're going to be giving one lucky winner an electronic cutting machine of their choice, a Cricut, a Scan and Cut, or a Silhouette. So be sure to subscribe, and when we reach 100,000, we'll do that giveaway. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you again next time in our next top tip. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.